students of class 9th. Student, today we will learn session 3, begin lessons from unit 2, mastering typing. In my last video I told about the keyboard, means how can we um, increase our speed, and how can we control the keyboards using the different types of the keys on the keyboard, and how can we keep our fingers on a keyboard while giving the curving position. And after that we understood about the body posture while typing, how should be while typing, how should we sit as according to the correct posture. So student, today we will learn something more related to the keyboard, that is a rapid typing software. As you know, keyboard is the standard and the most common input devices attached to the all computers. It is an arrangement of buttons or keys and can be used to feed numbers, letters, special symbols, spaces, etc. Some characters can be typed by pressing a combination of keys simultaneously. While working with the keyboard, you will notice a bright flashing line on the screen. This is the called the cursor. But in the rapid typing tutor, children, we will learn something different, as this software as designed for the beginner. Means if you don't know how to type, how to press the button, so this software will tell you about the typing. This is for the adult and this is for the kids also. The user, use the computer keyboard more efficiently. Means by using this software you can use your keyboard with efficiency. The learning to the type is a very fun, as you can say it is like such a uh, activity. It is a type of the fun while typing the game. In this software we can include the games also, like balloons. When words come in a form of balloons, you have to burst by pressing that characters by your finger in the keyboard. So this way we can learn very easily by playing the game with the keyboard. And it is, while it's extensive training, statics and customized lessons are rarely seen in the much more expensive products. In this software, children, you can adjust according to your convenience. Means adjusting means here the lesson and the statics, as I told you. After that, key what is the statics and the how can we adjust the lesson. The children, as a more uh, important here, ki rapid typing tutor has the cheerful and initiative user interface full of the colors. Here we can get the and find the different colors on given in the keyboard. And rapid typing tutor has the initiative and the very attractive interface also. So here the typing tutor features a variety of visual cues to help adults as well as kids also master the computer keyboards and provide the full course progress statics in the table and the charts. The children, we learn something more important, keyboard, how can we get this software, how can we download the software, and what are the requirements. So let's hear some important facts related to the as a rapid typing tutor. Children, as you can find also in your book, rapid typing supports Windows XP, Vista, Vista 7, 8, and Windows like 8, 10, including all the 64-bit version. 64, it is related the as a combinations of the as a screen as well as the adjustment of the software. Rapid typing works on Linux also and other 86 based Unix. So this software can be run on the Mac operating system, Unix operating system. Children, these are the type of the operating system on which we can run this software. And minimum display area, it's 680 by 420 with the text size 100%. And now what we have the needs for this software. First, you should, children, PC as your personal, as a keyboard. PC keyboard means your personal keyboard, that is a touch sensitive screen. Okay, means on the PC keyboard it should be as a touch sensitive screen. Display with more than 256 colors, recommended high color as this as a high color, high resolution, with the high resolution of this color. 30-40 MB free hard drive space, means 30 to 40 MB should be free space in your hard disk drive, and RAMs as supports the 120 MB. So these are the such a requirements for the rapid typing tutor. Now how can we start it? Children, as rapid typing has no cost, there is a no any type of the charges. You can download free of cost from the following links, as you can find http www.rapidtyping.com, best typing tutors, rapidtyping.html. So this is a given also in your book. You can write on the address bar on your web page, web browser when you open, and you can download very easily. So it includes the full virtual keyboard. Full virtual means it's gives the all the facilities related to the keyboard as you use the manual. So here, as with both hands moving over it, display the proper typing position for each hand and the finger. When you keep your finger, as you can see on the screen here as a given, this is the, you can see on the screen, it both hands moving over it, display the proper typing position for each hand and the finger. So this software, when you put your fingers on this screen, on the screen of your PC, so automatically this software let to press, where you press the keys, automatically that finger will move like that. Here the one, can you safely switch between the different keyboard layout also, means if you don't like this layout, you can change the also the layout of the keyboard as well as the text area layout here. So starting rapid typing, as you can find a to launch the rapid typing, click rapid typing 5 icon in the start menu when you download your start, I mean rapid typing software, automatically it will be you can find in the start menu. So click on the start menu and click on the as a programs, you will find the folder of the rapid typing 5, and following home screen will be displayed as you can see on the screen. This is the screen you will find the first time as on your computer screen. The children, now we will talk about here the rapid typing window components. So means we talk here about the components, means what are the components which are very important to know for us here. So let's here talk about the components of rapid typing window. Children, this screen let you tell about here what are the components on the screen given here. The first, one by one we understand here The student, you can see also in your book is a given the rapid typing windows components here, but on screen you can also find here by one I will tell you here. The first, this telling this image as here the as a rabbit, it is moving over here. This let you to tell about the current lesson. Current lesson means first lesson, second lesson. As a beginner, you are a beginner, so then you will find the first lesson related to the like this is on the screen FFJJ. that this is a practice for your as a finger. This is a muscles memory. Muscles memory means when you practice with your fingers, automatically one day you will automatically type with your finger. Here is a no need of your as a brain. Automatically your finger will move as a by type by looking the text and character, and your finger will move automatically. Now then children, we find here as a student statics means it tells related to the you can say including the speed, accuracy, words, characters. Okay, this tell you ki per minute or you can say per word per minute how many words you are typing. So this statics tell your speed and you can say correct of your typing. So this is a tell the accuracy including the speed here. Lesson editor, you can see this is the here lesson editor. Lesson editor, children, this tell you about the icon. This icon is for the lesson editor and used for the editing editing existing courses for the create a new one. So it means existing course you can, or you can create your new one as a course. So it can also be used for the seeing more courses from the rapid typing library. You can get the more courses related to your typing here. Then after we find here the keyboard. This is our keyboard, you can see on the screen. This is a keyboard, and keyboard as you can find different types of the keys given here with the different color, as a telling key this color has a also meaning about it. Every keys have a meaning here. And now next it tells about here the restart lesson. This, if you want to restart again your lesson, then click on this icon. Automatically your lesson will start from the initial stage. And this is the text panel. Children, this is a text panel here. This text panel shows the current text which you have to type by the keyboard. And next we find here the taskbar. This taskbar shows you here the current lesson and student statics, lesson editor, and name of the software, and some as a optional options here, setting buttons, as you can find here the setting buttons and windows close and restore and maximize and close button you find in the task bar here. So this is to an this is these are the some components related to our rapid typing window, and every part as a very important to know. If you don't know, then you can't use this software properly here. The taskbar as a lets you set or change some basis options quickly to start a lesson. Keyboard layout, label, lesson, and background. And settings tells about here option settings button. This is a three dots as a you can three lines as a here you can see this settings options button. It has the option for the keyboard layout, background, sounds, themes, etc. And text panel, as you can see, this is here the where you find ffjj where are written here. This is the text panel, and this is the area where the text to be displayed. typed, text to be typed is displayed, and you can easily edit it in the listen error where you feel the necessary. The keyboard, this is the virtual keyboard and which help you to learn touch typing. So children, today as we talked about the initial stage of the typing with this software, but in next video we will type about the course of the type here. How can we start a typing course, and how we as a get the easy way to typing on the screen, and some as a important component and element related to the as a typing here, some colors also given here: green, yellow, red, orange. So what are the means of these color? The children, we will talk in next video. Till thank you, and for thank you for watching this video.